Welcome to this Bookwhen booking platform review. Considering Bookwhen for your business? This video breaks down its features and usability. Find platform links and resources below. Bookwhen is a versatile, cost-effective booking system for small to medium businesses, including fitness classes, workshops, and courses. It's perfect for those needing a simple solution for bookings, registrations, and payments. Bookwhen's key strength is simplicity. It's user-friendly, accessible to all technical levels. Setting up events is quick, and you can customize booking pages to match your brand. The system supports multiple event types and recurring schedules, ideal for diverse businesses. Bookwhen's flexible ticketing options let you create single or group tickets, add discounts, and enable multi-event bookings. This is great for workshops or multi-session programs. Bookwhen integrates with your website and social media, letting customers book directly. It supports Stripe, PayPal, and offline payments. Automation handles confirmations, reminders, and waiting lists, reducing your workload. Bookwhen also provides reporting tools to track attendance and booking trends, helping you improve your offerings. This platform prioritizes affordability and simplicity without sacrificing functionality. Whether you run a studio, host workshops, or manage small events, Bookwhen streamlines your bookings. Bookwhen is a straightforward yet powerful platform, offering excellent value. Ready to enhance your booking process? Explore the links below to get started with Bookwhen today.